Wrigley, where are you? Are you in Thor's cage? Do you like to play in Thor's cage? Can you say dog? Say dog. Good job. Say dog. Wrigley, what you doing in there? What you doing in there? Is this your new favorite place to play? What does Thor think about this? Oh, you want us to close you in there now too? Yeah? What you doing? You find this pretty fun, don't you? Yeah. Uh-oh, now you're stuck. Oh. Is this your new favorite place to play? You turn around for 1 second and there they go, making themselves a new play space. Wrigley, you want to get out? You all done? Nope, just getting comfy. Wrigley, say bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.